Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Focus. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat forward or backward and raise or lower it for a clear view of the road and dashboard. Next, set your side and rearview mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Locate the parking brake, typically a lever or button, and ensure it's disengaged before starting. Finally, familiarize yourself with the main controls like the headlights, wipers, and climate system. Once you're ready to drive, shift the gear selector into drive. Release the parking brake if it's engaged. Gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving forward. To slow down or stop, apply steady pressure to the brake pedal. Remember to use both hands on the steering wheel, maintaining a firm but relaxed grip. Always signal your intentions, like turning or changing lanes, at least 100 feet before your maneuver to alert other drivers. Mastering parking is key. For parallel parking, pull alongside the car in front, leaving about 2 feet of space. Reverse slowly, turning the wheel to guide your focus into the spot. When reversing, always check your mirrors and look over your shoulder for obstacles. For three-point turns, find a wide, safe area. Drive forward, turn sharply, reverse, and then drive forward again to complete the turn. Always maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds on the road. To keep your Ford Focus running smoothly, regular maintenance is essential. Check your tire pressure monthly. The recommended pressure is often around 32 psi. Regularly inspect fluid levels, such as engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Plan for oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your driving habits. Pay attention to any warning lights on your dashboard. They indicate potential issues that need immediate attention for your safety and the car's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.